Hello, in this video I will show you how to add Afterpay in Shopify product page. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly open your Shopify page, then go to the settings panel. After that, go to the payments option. Then over here, just simply click on add payment method. And now right over here, just simply search for Afterpay. And then once you will find it, click on it and then choose any one of them. So let's say for example this one. Then just simply install it or activate it. So just simply click on install and then wait for a few seconds and a few things will appear. So just simply let it happen. Then click on install. Now right over here, just simply enter your security code and the merchant's ID in order to install the payment method of Afterpay. So once you will be done with this process, all you have to do is open a new tab and enter Apple Pay and just simply type Afterpay site messaging. Just simply open this option. So you will be redirected to this page over here. Just simply scroll down and copy this part right over here. So just simply click on this copy option right over here. That will copy the entire thing. Now go back to your shop. Make sure to go back to the online store. Then click on the three dots right over here. Then click on edit codes. Then just simply click on the theme liquid over here, right over here. Then just simply go at the very bottom and end of the particular code over here. Then just simply paste the code right over here. After that, save it. Then you are all good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.